And this is how to fold the Mavic 2 Pro. So I've already put the gimbal guard back on, the gimbal protector that may better protect the camera. And there's a sequence to this. So I fold it in the back, and then I'm going to fold in the other back, and I'm going to fold in the side, and then I'm going to fold in the other side. So that's how to fold the Mavic 2 Pro. And obviously these propellers are awesome, by the way. They've got a very interesting sound. It doesn't sound like a swarm of bees. It's like a muted brrr. I don't know how to explain it. Check out my videos of it in flight and you'll hear. But that was how to fold it. And then to unfold, it's in the opposite direction. So I take this arm, throw it out. So the front is first when you're unfolding. Take this arm, throw it out. And then I take the back arm, fold it down. This arm, fold it down. Very similar to the way that a Mavic Air behaves. Yet quite different. I mean, it's a heavier drone. It's not too big, it's not too heavy, it's extremely portable. Obviously you're getting a Hasselblad with a 1-inch sensor on this. So again, to demonstrate how to fold it up, I do the rear, and then I do the front, I do the rear, and then I do the front, and now it's folded. So that's how to unfold and fold the Mavic 2 Pro. Again, check the link within this video's description, expand this video's description, click that link, you can find where to order the Mavic 2 Pro, all the accessories, and also the Mavic 2 Zoom, and other drones too. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy, and share this video and any of my videos with others, and click that little bell icon down there so that you can be notified whenever I post another video. I'm gonna have a lot of them. Thanks for watching, y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.